How to fix the issue of code not receiving on Deepseek. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you frustrated because you are not receiving the verification code on the Deepseek? Don't worry. I know how annoying that can be and I am here to help you guys. So in this video, I'll show you simple but effective steps to solve this issue once and for all. So whether you are waiting for a code by email or SMS, we've got you covered. And now without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, that is to double check your input. So first thing you should do is double check the information you have entered. So most of the time, the problem is something as simple as a typo. So here is what you need to do. You can simply go back to the screen where you have entered your phone number or email address and look closely for any mistake. So did you miss a digit in a phone number, or maybe you have accidentally added an extra letter on your email address? These simple errors can stop the code from receiving. So you can fix them and try them again. And with this, let's move to the step 2. That is to check your email spam and promotion folders. Okay, so email is correct, but the code still hasn't arrived. And if you are waiting for the code by email, you can simply check your spam, junk, or promotion folders, because email providers like Gmail or Outlook sometimes filter automated message including verification codes into these folders. So if you find the code there, you can simply move it to your inbox and report it as a not spam folder. And now moving forward to the step 3, that is to verify your network connection. Let's move on to the network connection. So if you are waiting for a text with a code, it's important to make sure that your phone is connected properly. And even with that, if you are using a VPN, you can simply disable it temporarily, because VPN can sometimes block or delay the text messages. Or you can even restart your phone, because this refreshes your network connection and often resolves minor connectivity issues. And with that, let's move forward to the step 4, that is to check app permissions. Now, another thing that can cause issues is the app permissions on your phone. So if the Deepseek app doesn't have permission to access notification or message, it won't work properly. So you can simply go to the settings and enable those features. And once you have allowed the permissions, you can again try requesting the code. And with that, let's head to the step 5, that is to check Deepseek server status. So at this point, it is possible that the issue is on the Deepseek end. The servers might be experiencing a downtime or the technical problems. So you can visit the Deepseek website or their official social media page to see if they have posted any updates. Or you can even use a website like downdetector.com to see if other users are reporting the similar issues. And if the issue is within their servers, then all you can do is just wait for them to resolve it. And with this, here comes the last step, that is to contact Deepseek support. So if none of these previous steps work, then it's time to contact Deepseek support team for a direct assistance. And here is how you can do it. You can simply open the Deepseek app, and on the login page, you can see the option contact us. Simply tap on that. And in this section, you can see the option labeled contact support. Simply tap on that. And you will be prompted to the page where you can submit the report to their contact support team. And you can include important details like your registered email, phone number, or any error messages that you have received. And by doing this, it will ensure that you will get a personalized help to resolve the problem. And that's it. I think by following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not receiving codes on the Deepseek app. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.